How to send large videos from Gmail. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send large videos from your Gmail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you guys didn't know, Gmail only enables you to send about 25 MBs of videos, or of files from your mail directly. Anything larger than that, you will need to actually use your drive. So since we'll not be doing that, what you can do instead of that is we can use an alternative app called WeTransfer. So search for WeTransfer, and this is the website right here. So what you can do right here is you'll actually need to transfer your, uh, you know, you'll need to transfer your zipped file. That is, you'll need to zip a file from here. So let's say that I want to zip this file. I'll right click on it, and then I'll compress it. So tap on compress it and select zip file. Doing that, it will create a zip file for that very video, and now I can send it from here. So I can add a file that is my zipped file. I'll drop it right here, and from your email too. So you can select which email you want to send this, and from which email. So here you will need to use your Gmail from which you want to send. So this is my email, and let's say this is my friend's email in which I want to send. So after doing that, you can then type in a message. And after you do that, tap on confirm. After that, you can keep this for ever or something like that. I'll just select a day here, remember it, then tap on continue. Now, after doing that, you can tap on transfer. And here you will need to, use a verification code you get from WeTransfer. As you can see, here, this is the code. Copy this and paste it right here, and then verify and send. Doing this, you can send large files, or really, really large files from your Gmail itself. And that's basically how you do this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.